Hi, welcome all. This is Dr. P. Dinesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture and Engineering, Kongunadu College of Engineering and Technology, Tiruchi. Today we are going to see about protected cultivation. So, in Unit 5, precision farming of horticultural crops. So, precision farming is one of the most scientific way to sustainable agriculture and horticulture. Horticulture precision farming entails the use of variety of technologies to techniques to discover, analyze, and control variability within fields in order to maximize profitability, sustainability, and land resource protection while minimizing the environmental impact. It is also known as a comprehensive system that starts with a crop or commodity planning and contributes through the post harvest processing stage of production. So, need of horticulture to prevent soil degradation, efficient use of water resource, developing favorable attitudes to increase horticultural productivity, technical employment generation to maintain the environmental balance, cutback of chemical application in crop production, precision farming technology changing socio-economic status of farmers to help in achieve goal of sustainable agriculture, horticulture. Basic steps involved in horticulture precision farming. Accessing variability. Accessing variability is the first step in precision horticulture farming. It's an important step since it's clear that you cannot manage something you do not understand. And then managing variability. Once the field variation has been sufficiently analyzed, the farmer should match their crop, that is agronomics inputs, to know circumstance, utilizing site specific management suggestions and the appropriate equipment to regulate it. Evaluation of precision farming, economic variation, environmental preservation, and the prospect of precision agricultural technology transfer are the three key elements that are used to evaluate precision farming. First is economic evaluation, which looks at whether or not the reported agricultural advantages are being converted into value via market process. The second is an environmental assessment, which looks at the whether precision farming can improve land, water, environmental sustainability in our agricultural systems. Precision farming techniques for crops. Precision farming techniques use advanced technologies like GPS, drones, and sensors to monitor and manage crops more efficiently. This method allows farmers to optimize inputs like water, fertilizers, pesticides, resulting in higher yields, reduced cost, and more sustainable agricultural practice. By tailoring treatments to specific area of the field, precision farming ensures the crop receive exactly what they need, improving the overall productivity. Precision farming techniques for tomato. First, we are going to quality seedling production. So, protected nursery. The nursery area is covered with a 50% shaded net. The raised beds of 1 meter width and convenient length are formed. The seedlings are raised in pro trays. Planting. The main field is plugged 4 times. Chisel and disc plow each one time at cultivator twice. FIM at 20 times per hectare is applied before the last plugging. 75% of the total recommended dose of super phosphate, that is 1171.88 kilogram per hectare, is applied as basal dose. Fertigation techniques for tomato F1 hybrid, a dose of in the ratio of 200 250 kg of NPK per hectare is applied. Throughout the cropping period, throughout split application, the split dose is applied once in every 3 days through fertigation. Intercultivation, foil spraying with pseudomonas and fluorescence of 0.5% at the 15 days interval for 6 times. Stacking is done by using either bamboo or eucalyptus poles on 30th day after planting. Harvesting and post harvest management. Harvesting of tomato fruits is carried out either at breaker stage or at off red, depending upon the market preference. First harvest dates at 60 days after planting. Precision farming techniques for chili. So quality seedling production, as usual, the protected nursery. So the nursery area is covered with 50% shaded net. The raised beds of 1 meter width and convenient length are formed. After that we are going to sowing. About 200 gram of hybrid chili seeds required to produce seedling for 1 hectare. So and then as usual planting, and planting we are going to plug 4 times as on previous plant, and chisel and disc each at one time and cultivated twice. One row of African marigold of 40 days old are planted simultaneously along with the chili seedling in every 16 rows. Gap filling is done at 7th day after transplanting. And finally we are going for harvesting and post harvest management. So harvesting of fully mature green chili fruits is carried out at 4 days interval of 70 days after planting. Grading is done based on the size of the fruits and is packed in crates, and the small sized curved and misapparent fruits are separated from that for the grading purpose, and also it can be sold for good prices. So thank you.